Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. In the name of Gauranitai, there is no question of aparadh. Krishna name aparadha vichar hai. In the name of Krishna, there is question of aparadh, but in the name of Gauranitai, no aparadh. Do you understand? Such merciful, wonderfully magnanimous, wonderfully munificent. Udharjamaya Vigraha, they excuse all aparadhas. Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda, Sri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaur Bhaktarinda. These Panchatattva names, there is no question of aparadha, no question of aparadha. Name of Krishna is question of aparadha is there. So first beg the mercy. Order their name. Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda, Sri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaur Bhaktarinda. Then they'll excuse aparadha. Takhon name ruchi hobe, then you develop taste for chanting holy name. Then you develop taste for chanting holy name. All your material bondage will be destroyed. Krishna name anuragato hobe. Then you develop taste for uttering Krishna name. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare. তখন অনায়াসে সবল হইবে জীবের জীবন। Then your জীবন, your life will be successful. Otherwise you cannot achieve success in your human life. But Krishna rati bina jivanato micha. Understand? Very important, he said. Krishna rati bina jivanato micha. Prabhupada said the last line, the real perfection life is therefore to be engaged in transcendental loving service of the Lord. Prema bhakti, loving service, prema bhakti. That is the real perfection, supreme perfection of rarely achieved human birth, to develop Krishna prema. Here, Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, Krishna rati bina jivanato micha. If you cannot develop Krishna rati, Krishna prema, rati means what? You know rati? The rising of prema, first rising of prema is known as rati. Understand? Ujjvala Nilamani, Rupa Goswami has mentioned, rising of the prema, first rising of prema is known as rati. Rati, then prema, sneha, mana, pranaya, raga, anuraga, bhava, mahabhava. Gradual development, isn't it? Rati, prema, sneha, mana, pranaya, raga, anuraga, bhava, mahabhava. Last is mahabhava, modanaksha and madanaksha mahabhava. That is last. Madanaksha mahabhava is Srimati Radharani. Srimati Radharani is Madanaksha mahabhava. Yes. Follow this gradual development. Ultimate culmination, last thing is Madanaksha mahabhava. This is the development of prema rati. That's it. Krishna rati bina jivanato micha. Without, unless you, if you cannot get Krishna rati, Krishna prema, your life is wasted. Understand? Wasted, futile. Jivanato micha. Sheshe Vrindavane Radha Syamer Pave Dalasana Gaura Krupahale. If you get the mercy of Gauranga, develop that prema, then at last you will have the darshan of Radha Krishna in Brajabhumi, in Vrindavana. Otherwise, how can you? How can you? That is the supreme perfection of human birth. Develop Krishna prema, and Mahaprabhu gives that prema. He is prema Purushottama. He gives that prema through chanting this holy name. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. Namniva Pradra Siddhavatarati Parejatrato Nomi Gauram. I pay my obeisances to that Gaura. This is Prabhupada Saraswati Pad said, Chaitanya Chandramsta, Namniva Pradra Siddhavatarati Parejatrato Nomi Gauram. I pay my obeisance to that Gaura who gives this Krishna prema through chanting this holy name. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Mukhya pathe jiva paya Krishna premadhana, niraparade, nam loile paya premadhana. If your chanting is offenseless, niraparad, then you'll get Krishna prema. Then you'll get Krishna prema. You understand? Of your offensive chanting. Crores of life you may be chanting, but offense, committing offense. No prema will develop. Do you understand? Niraparadhe nam loile paya premadhana. If you're chanting will be offenseless, that's pure name, you'll get premadhana. Otherwise, you cannot get. So that is the perfection, supreme perfection of human birth, reality, dullabha manava dhanma. This only means. So, vidhi dharma chhari bhaje, Krishna charana, nisiddha papachar prabhu noye mana. Ajnane bhaya jodi pap upasthita, Krishna chare suddha kare na karaye prayasita. Chaitanya Charitamrita. Vidhi dharma chhari bhaje, Krishna charana, nisiddha papachar prabhu noye mana. Ujnane bhaya jodi pap upasthita, Krishna chare suddha kare na karaye prayasita. Those are developed prema bhakti. Do you understand? Those are developed prema bhakti. Those who come to this path of Raganuga Bhakti, do you understand? Sadhana Bhakti has two parts, Vaidhi and Raganuga. Understand? Sadhana Bhakti has two parts. First part is Vaidhi, second part is Raganuga. Do you understand? First you should cultivate Vaidhi Bhakti, very strictly follow rules, regulations. Do you understand? Sadhana Vidhi, under the expert guidance of bona fide Guru, Vaishnava Guru, Gaudiya Vaishnava Guru. Do you understand? Then, thereby your heart will be purified, consciousness will be purified. That is the result of Vaidhi Bhakti. Then you come to the other part of Sadhana Bhakti, Raganuga Bhakti. When you come to Raganuga, Raga Marga, this is the path of Prema, this Prema Marga, Raga Marga, Anuraga. Do you understand? Then there is no Vidhi.